Again, like the recipe, add 3 tablespoons of oil, 4 tablespoons, 5 tablespoons, 6 tablespoons.
Now add mustard, very little mustard. Now add the onion. Okay.
Green chili.
And green chilies. A few green chilies.
Okay, stop.
Salt. 1 teaspoon of salt.
Add
Potatoes.
1 chopped potato.
Be ready to add.
Beat 5 eggs.
Now
add
1/4 teaspoon of turmeric.
yes. So half of the potato is cooked. Now you can add
Yeah.
Black rice, but add some green to the color.
see colorful dish.
Should I tell you a joke about capsicum? Cap. It is, capsicum is very good green cap. Green cap and very good green cap. So, sikam means, question mark. Sikam means it will always, it can be 3 colors, red, yellow and green. But Missammas will always use green. How much you got, I know in maths? Anda, I got an anda.
I hope it's a joke.
It's a pakka joke, I got 8 out of 10.
Very good. We have added 5 beaten eggs.
Yes.
Peanut eggs,
Just close
5.
Eggs got beaten up.
Because they always get anda.
Yeah.
Now,
Now
See. Just turn it like this.
you know why always eggs get beaten up? Because they always get score under marks. That's why they always get beaten up by mobs. Mobs. M-O-M-S. Mobs.
Okay.
Mob is eggs teacher. Mobs is.
Then okay.
Open the lid.
Almost that dish is done. See, egg. Now I'm going to add.
You know what's the full form of lid?
Don't-
Live with democracy. Live with democracy.
I never.
Okay.
This is for taste, not color.
Yes, this is
1
for taste.
teaspoon of guddu.
Now I'm going to add bad ghee for
Bad ghee. Half a teaspoon of bad ghee and full teaspoon of Guddu Express.
Mix it
You
well.
know why Guddu Express is so slow? Because we added only half of the fuel. And you know why always bad ghee express is fast? Bad ghee express is fast because we put full fuel. Naughty green chili.
Multi-starrer.
It's like a multi-starrer movie. Definitely everyone will enjoy. Yeah.